Hello, welcome to another unboxing of some action figure, I guess. Um, I really don't know what just arrived from my doorstep, but one thing's for sure, this came from Hong Kong. I have like lots of pre-orders, and this maybe I don't know if I'm correct, but this may be a ramen toy. Okay, so let's proceed with the unboxing of this mysterious package. Of course, as always, I'm using my X-Acto knife. Okay. Yes. Okay. This is the Ramen Toy Antagonist Cyborg, fresh from Hong Kong. Yep. I guess it's really neatly packed with all these corner protection plastic. So I may have to use this soon. Okay, so let's proceed. It really looks good. Wow. Oh my god. Now, yeah. So this is the Antagonist Cyborg. As you may know, you Centurions fans may know, this is Hacker. Okay, his name's Hacker. But of course, Ramen Toy can choose the name because of trademark issues. So we just used Antagonist Cyborg. Okay, for the box, it has this really 80s feel. Really nice artwork. And it comes in a corrugated or maybe a call this textured cardboard, kind of soft. And here's the functions of the Antagonist Cyborg. And he can do a circular swipe battle arm, magnetic tech, cyber tech. Well, you can just cut him into half and join him by using magnets. And the back, oh no, the side is just the artwork, a really nice artwork. The back is some short description of the item. And yes, I got an early bird discount for this because well, if it's Ramen Toy, I really have to have one, especially the 80s Commander line, because I'm a really big fan of the Centurions. So anyway, let's proceed to opening this box. So it's with the sealed with a simple adhesive sticker, which I can easily cut. Yep. Yeah, the cardboard is really soft, not that hard like the other cardboard boxes used for action figures. So you can pull this. I think you can pull this out, and I think it's called this a blister pack. I don't know. Look, just look at this. Some parts were removed. I don't know why. Just look. It's brand new, but the adhesive they used is not that, you know, sticky enough to hold them into place. So the helmet was yeah. Look at this. It's a way to, it's really easy to remove the blister pack. Anyway, and here's the hand. What's this? I don't know what you call this. And here's the other hand. Open, a semi-open hand. And of course the Antagonist Cyborg himself. Really nice, good looking action figure, and very detailed as well. And the magnets are quite, you know, strong. See, it really locks into place. And you have like pegs here, small pegs, so you can put them like semi seal them for a while. There you go. Okay, I never had one of these when back in the 80s, so this is my first time to own a hacker. And it has like a ratchet joint going on here, which is nice. But wait, okay, yep, also a ratchet joint here, double jointed knee, which is really good. The arms also, the elbows as well, double jointed. Really perfect. I love it. Okay, let's put the I forgot what you call this. Please comment down below if you I forgot what's this called. Some flail, I don't know. Flail, you call this a flail. You can attach it here. Of course, this is made of PVC material, so this is quite sturdy. Okay, so you can put the helmet. It comes with a like, what's this? Sponge. Yeah, you can see that sponge, so you can protect the paint here, back of the and you can place it like snug fit in his head, bald head. Okay, it really looks like. No, I'm concerned. You know, I'm concerned of the magnet sticks. Okay, it sticks, no problem. But once you give them a pose, it always slides. You know, maybe it would be better if they would adjust the pegs even further, so it could lock into place. Okay, look, they're playing with it. Because yeah, I play with my action figures from time to time. I give them I have them posed, of course. And yeah, the only problem is when you are posing the toy action figure, it slides. Maybe they should adjust the pegs more, so you can get a a good seal. Okay, but hey, I'm not complaining. This is really good. It's really good quality, and wow. But yeah, the only problem is the peg. Okay, it doesn't quite stick together. Okay, and yes, I play with my action figures. There's no harm in that. This is the famous, I don't know, a hook like arm. Here, you can remove this. Okay. See? Okay. Now, this is like around close to 7 inches, or I guess it's 7 inches, like 7 and 1/4 of an inch. So it's perfect for the 80s commanders. Like I have one here, Max Ray. Okay. It's here. Okay. I'm gonna get the lights be more brighter in my studio. Again. Yeah, thank you. So there, it's brighter, and yeah, it looks perfect. You know, this is like around 6 inches. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, 6 and 1/4 inches. So they look perfect. Okay. And I think this is not the original. This is the original 80s commanders, the first batch. So this is not the cartoon, somewhat accurate colors. It's in my room somewhere. So this is perfect. The height is perfect. The build of the Antagonist Cyborg is perfect. The colors is perfect. And let's get Jake Rockwell. Yeah. And of course Ace McCloud. These are all the first release of the 80s commanders, which I got. Bird, of course, and I also bought the alternate heads that looks like the original thing. So what makes this special is the helmet. You know, look at that finish. Okay, it's a glossy finish inside, like a reflective finish, and it's the whole helmet. You can put the whole helmet in his attached to his head. Okay, no problem with that. But these helmets, you know, they this is what I don't like. They cut into half. Okay, because they don't fit the head sculpt well. And if they adjust the helmet bigger, it won't look this great, because man, you will have a very big, large helmet, and you don't want to have that. Okay, so it's the paint job is matte finished. It's not glossy. Okay, which I really love. Of course, the plastic, as I said, is PVC. You can maybe let's get some weapon system here and there, and place it here. Okay, you can place the the boosters here. Oops, sorry. Okay, it fits quite well, but not for not for every peg. But yeah, like this one's really loose, but it fits well in most of the pegs, the holes. Okay, Maybe put some here for testing. Yeah, yeah. This is quite loose, these two, and this is perfect. Okay. So yeah, there you have it. You have a very nice yeah, like ankle joints, feet moves. Okay, and the legs, the hips. Of course, the hips don't rotate. The yeah, the torso doesn't rotate because of, you know, these two. It separates. It can be separated. So yeah. As for the face, it looks like the real thing, the cartoon. He looks like Hacker, which I really like. The arms go like full 360, but yeah, it doesn't go all the way up. But I don't know. I don't care. The ratchet joint here comes 360 as well, and this leg. The only thing, this doesn't move. It would be cool if this moves. Okay. So, what is my impression for this action figure? I'm happy. Okay, I'm happy. Thank you again, Ramen Toy, for producing a very excellent action figure. An action figure I really want to have since I was a kid. I'm hoping that you would release Doc Terror soon, so my collection would be complete. Okay, wait, I'm just playing with the Ace Cloud. Ah, okay. Sorry for the oops. There you go. There. So again, this comes with again a flail, if I'm not mistaken, or you can correct me if I'm wrong. And two uh, two left hands closed, making a fist, and semi-closed for grabbing something. Okay, so 7 and 1/4 inches, and really looks good, just like the cartoons. So my grade for this, I'm gonna give it 8.5 out of 10. 8.5. Why? Because if they only adjusted the pegs for this one and have it like you can really close the Antagonist Cyborg, this would be cool. Because right now you can pose it, but while giving this a pose, this always slides. You know, you might have a hard time posing this because again it slides. Okay, so but hey, I'm quite happy. So again, thanks for watching my channel in my quick unboxing and a short review of the Antagonist Cyborg, aka Hacker of the Centurions. So peace.